The Anker Advantage. Join the 55 million plus powered by our leading technology. High speed. 218W USB ports feature technology to provide high-speed charging throughout your journey. Charge a Samsung Galaxy S20 in less than 1.5 hours, an iPhone 11 in just over 2 hours, or an iPad mini 5 in less than 3 hours. Premium exterior. Finished with a sleek, scratch-resistant alloy surface to seamlessly blend into the interior of high-end vehicles. Universal compatibility. Works with the vast majority of handheld devices including phones, tablets, earbuds, and more. What you get: PowerDrive III 2-port 36W alloy, welcome guide, 18-month worry-free warranty, and friendly customer service. Top reviews from the United States. Another great Anker charger. I needed a fast car charger for my Galaxy S20 FE, and I needed look no further than Anker for this perfect fit device. Plugged it into my new truck's charging outlet, then plugged in my phone, and voila, immediate fast charging started. This was exactly what I needed, and for $20 it's a steal. Couldn't recommend more highly.